Hey, come on with me.
Do I know you?
No. Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of the very, very precious woman self-defense program. Make sure you practice this, what we showed you today and what we showed you in the previous videos, with your dearest ones, your daughters, your wives, okay, your family members. It's gonna help you, it's gonna save you in a very, very bad situation where you feel humiliated or weak. Next thing is, what happens? A man comes, holds the arm, and wants you to follow him, right? How does it feel?
Feels really awkward, but somehow I still follow.
Even if I have a slight grip, no man comes and does this. Okay, or no, I'm gonna do her in an arm like, okay? So it's like, hey, come on, I want to dance with you, okay? That's the situation. Now we're gonna show you in real speed how it looks like, okay? Hey, come on with me.
Do I know you?
No. You see how quick it goes? Slow motion, please. She slapped me. Okay. Very well. Okay. So you see, I pull her that way. And what she does, yes, she turns. You see what she does again. And this annoys me. My first intentional feeling is everyone has this. When something is so close to your face in an immediate time spot, you do this. And the next thing is bang. And this is how your face explodes. Follow up, or even just one is enough to turn around, and then she can move away easily. Okay? Part 3, Monica, Sifo Milos Drakulic, my Villa May, Florida. Experience the best.